Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, mobile office package, tow and haul package, and the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch with a dual exhaust, backup camera. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle as well, mud flaps on the rear and front, ripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad with blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicator mirrors with a side view camera. Taking a look at the front here, we do get front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, floor mats. We do get cup holders and storage, heated back, or not heated back seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, flat fold storage system, and of course you can lift up your seats for a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop assert lights, spotlights, parking pedal adjusters, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it is running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 1,321 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen, we have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select. This is collapsible storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. You got your center console here that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food here, your laptop, your meal, paperwork, anything you can think of, and you do get your storage underneath as well, with drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, with heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash, with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do get our park assist, which is just your park sensing you can turn on or off, hill, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving, hazards and traction, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your navigation, search, recent, saved, pretty easy to use, and you also do get a little widget on the side so you can keep your navigation open and your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE43908. Oh my gosh, one more time. KE43908, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.